Here's how to download PUBG Battlegrounds on your PC through Steam. Open Steam and sign into your account or create a free one at steampowered.com if you do not have one. In the store search bar, type PUBG Battlegrounds and press Enter. Click on the game page and select Add to Library. Since PUBG is free to play, there is no payment required. It will go directly into your library. Once added, go to your library, find PUBG Battlegrounds, and click Install. Choose your preferred installation location. PUBG is a large game, so make sure you have at least 40 gigabytes of free space before starting. Click Install and wait for the download to complete. Once done, click Play to launch the game. You will need to create a Crafton account or log in with an existing one the first time. Complete any initial setup, and you are ready to play. A tip: after installing, go to PUBG's in-game graphics settings and set them to match your PC's capabilities before jumping into a match. Running on settings that are too high causes lag and stuttering even on a clean install. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.